Imagine waking up tomorrow and feeling like yourself before your day even starts. That's what this 9 move sequence does, and it takes less time than scrolling before bed. Stay tuned. Do you ever notice on the days you move the least, your body feels the most stiff? Like if you've been sitting all day at a desk or even just planted on the couch? I was on a plane all day recently, and when I landed, my body just felt wrecked. I recently came across a YouTube channel called Moves Method, and serendipity led me to a video titled, "If you sit 8 hours a day, do this before bed." I'm going to share the sequence with you because it's starting to make a subtle but profound difference in how I wake up in the morning, and I want you to reap the benefits too. When you sit all day, it goes beyond fatigue, right? But the sequence I'm about to show you interrupts that pattern before it becomes tomorrow's problem. And the great thing is, it's not a workout, it's not intense, it's just a beautiful, natural way to come back into your body at the end of a long, hard day. There are 3 phases to this routine, and the first one is called decompress, and you're just releasing the day's buildup, basically. Move 1 is called lateral reach child's pose, and I start here with a lateral reach that melts into child's pose, and I do 10 reps on each side, and it feels like a relief, like a big sigh after any prolonged sitting. And I feel like I'm signaling to my nervous system to take a big sigh because it finally feels safe to do so. Move 2 is a cat-cow to downward dog, and I do 10 reps in this full flow sequence, and it feels so good to elongate my spine. Move 3, I get onto my back for supine knee circles, and I do 30 seconds in each direction. And oh my goodness, you never know how tight your hips are until you do this. And I try to envision every circle unwinding every stress I've accrued throughout my day. Okay, phase 2, and moving on to the flow phase and releasing what got stuck. Move 4 are quadruped hip circles, and I do 30 seconds in each direction. And I love how this move really helps to move the built up tension. Move 5 is a low lunge flow, and I do 30 seconds for each leg. I try to imagine the tightness I've been walking around with all day begin to dissolve. Move 6 is what's called active pigeon. I do 10 reps on each side. This move has always been really tough for me, but it's definitely impactful. And I think we as women, we carry so much here. Move 7 are 90-90 transitions with 10 reps on each side. I feel like this move is where I really start to feel my hips rebalance because invariably one side is always stronger than the other. Do you ever notice that about your body? Okay, phase 3 is called integrate, where we land back into your body, and this has 2 more moves. Move 8 is a supine pigeon bridge with 10 reps on each side. And I've always loved this move because you're combining hip opening while activating your glutes. And when you're sitting all day, this is just what the doctor ordered. Move 9 is happy baby flow. This is the last move to just let your body guide you in the direction it needs. And ending this move and then getting into bed, it just feels so good. Now, I don't do this sequence because I'm more disciplined than you. It just feels good, and that's a motivating factor for me. When you start to feel better from movement and the way that you eat, be surprised how motivating that is because you don't want to go back to feeling bad. If you're looking for a reset and you know you've been sitting too much, I highly implore you to try this sequence and definitely check out Moves Method YouTube channel, and I'll link everything below for you. If you're starting to realize how much the way you move and eat deeply impacts your whole being, that's what I talk about on this channel. How you nourish your body, how you support your brain, and how to move through life in a more natural and holistic way. Please join me on my journey with all the incredible discoveries I make. I'm so happy to share them with you. Thanks for watching.